Napaka-noble naman pala ng kuya mo. Natupad ba yung mission niya?
Well, not all the time. When my kuya passed away, nahirapan talaga ako mag-recover. So, I drowned myself to work. Went out partying, met a lot of girls. Beautiful girls. Kaya alam mo na yan.
And?
Well, wala. Hindi naman kasi nag-work yung mga ganun.
Pero mukhang okay ka naman ngayon.
You mean, I look good? Yun ba?
Fine. Oh, you look good. You look at peace.
Peace. Well, akala ko, sabi mo cute ako. Pwede naman ah. Sabi mo I look good. But okay, seriously, what really helped me was to commune with nature. Getting lost in the middle of the forest, surrounding myself by the force of nature. And that's when I realized na in life, there are other forces bigger than us. Bigger than our problems. And that's when I started to heal.
Buti nakapag-heal ka na.
Ikaw,
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung kaya kong mag-heal. Natatakot kasi ako. Natatakot ako na baka pag hindi na ako nasasaktan na wala na yung ate ko. Kalimutan ko siya. Sorry.
sino ba nagsabing hindi ka na masasaktan kapag healed ka na? Grief will always be there. That grief can also be our friend. May hiking trip ako soon. When you're ready, gusto mong sumama.
Tinanggap ng beauty CEO at influencer na si Doreen Alfonso ang hamon ng influencer na si Shari De Jesus na magharap hindi sa isang showdown, kundi sa isang takedown, whatever that means. OMG! Ano na mga besh ang masasabi nyo sa pasabog ng Doreen Alfonso? At heto pa ha, siya raw ang magsiset ng venue. Ipapadala privately kay Shari De Jesus.
Saan kaya ito? I wonder. Kaya dapat niyo tong abangan.